Becoming a millionaire has never been easy, especially at a young age. With the rise of social media and content creation, it's very easy to get caught up in trying to chase materialistic stuff. You see people with Lambos, Rolexes, some of them living, in penthouses in Miami, living their best life. Don't get me wrong, I love having nice shoes and wearing a nice watch, but when you consistently see these things online, it can become overwhelming. And to go down the rabbit hole even more, look at it this way. See, your parents tell you to go to school your whole life, work for a big company in order to become rich. But really, unless you're a big CEO of a major company, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to get to that level of wealth. You don't need to spend years after chasing a college degree, wasting both your time and money. Instead, you could pass all those years learning and developing high income skills and building a business. But in order to do those things, you need knowledge. What separates you from a millionaire is the information that they have access to. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 lessons that made me a millionaire day trader at the age of 30. This is information that people actually charge for, and I'm giving it all away so you can get better chances at living your best life. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew, and I've been day trading options for over 6 years now, and I've made multiple 6 figures day trading in the stock market. Now, with that said, please pay attention, grab your notes, and focus on the information I'm about to share with you. Okay, so the first lesson is to develop a high income skill. Start by identifying skills that are in high demand and offer significant earning potential for yourself. Now, for me, it was learning how to trade the stock market and options effectively. I invested countless time in online courses. I found mentors and I practiced diligently. Look for skills like coding, digital marketing, sales, or even financial analysis. Books like The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss or online platforms like Coursera can be a great starting point for you. See, developing high income skills is crucial because it can set you apart from others and significantly increase your earnings potential. Really, without a valuable skill set, you might find yourself stuck in a low paying job or struggling to stand out. And this is the foundation of financial success, because without it, building wealth becomes much, much harder. In today's world of high competition, it is integral to have a skill that can separate you from others that people will pay you a premium for. Now, the second lesson, and one that's probably closest to me, is to build and cultivate a high value network. Actively seek out and connect with successful and influential people in your field. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and use platforms like LinkedIn effectively. I found mentors and peers through networking events and online communities and social media, which opened up doors to opportunities and invaluable advice that I received. Your network can provide crucial opportunities, advice, and support to you. Now, if you neglect networking, you may miss out on collaborations, job offers, and key insights that could propel your career forward. Building a strong relationship is often as important as having the right skill set, in my opinion. Now, for me personally, my success would not be where it is today if it weren't for my network of people that I've built. From my corporate jobs to my entrepreneurial ventures, all of them hinged on really strong network connections to get me to where I am today. The saying is true that if you surround yourself with successful millionaires, chances are you're going to become one too. Next, you have to focus on making a strong first impression. Always present yourself professionally. Be punctual and come prepared, because first impressions do matter, and how you carry yourself can influence people's perception of your competence and your reliability. I learned this from my early job interviews and networking experiences, where showing up prepared and confident led to way better opportunities for me in my career early on. A positive first impression can lead to lasting professional relationships for you and opportunities. On the flip side, a poor impression can close doors before you even get a chance to prove yourself. Being aware of how you're perceived can make a big difference in your career trajectory. And the fourth lesson is to be an action taker. Don't wait for perfect conditions to act. Start the project, launch the idea, and make decisions very swiftly. I learned this lesson when I was hesitant to start my first trading account, but once I took action, I quickly learned and adapted, leading to significant growth in my overall life. Taking action is essential for progress, and hesitation or overplanning can result in missed opportunities and stagnation. By acting decisively, you create momentum and open the door to new possibilities and improvements. I mean, imagine where Elon Musk would be at today if he never took action on the ideas that he had. The fifth lesson is to influence and lead effectively. Learn how to communicate persuasively and inspire people around you. Whether you're managing a team or you're pitching an idea, effectively influence is key. I found that books like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie provided valuable techniques for improving my interpersonal skills. Being able to influence others can help you get things done and achieve your goals, because without this skill, you may struggle to rally support, lead projects, or get sales, which can impede on your overall success. Influencing others is crucial for advancing your career and achieving all of your ambitions. Leading effectively also means knowing when to say no. Successful people are very busy and often getting pulled in many directions during the day from clients, coworkers, vendors, or even their audience on their social media as you ascend the ranks of success. It is so important to learn how to tell people no, and actually, they will respect you much more when you say no and remind them of how busy you are, but that you will find time to meet with them in the future. Next, Always be polite and respectful regardless of your income level. Treat everyone with respect, from the receptionist all the way to the CEO. Now, I learned this from observing successful individuals who maintained humility and kindness despite all of their achievements that they had. Building genuine relationships based on respect fosters a goodwill and opportunities. Politeness and respect can create a positive reputation and open a ton of doors for you. Being rude or dismissive can actually damage relationships and opportunities, which can be detrimental to your long-term success. Respectful behavior reflects well on your character and can help you build a strong, supportive network of genuine people. You know, even from my high school days, I always got along with everyone. The truth is, you never know how someone can be a positive figure in your life and introduce you to someone else that you could work well with. No matter what their pay rank is or what their background origin is, always treat people the same way, with respect and with class. Now, the seventh and last lesson is to believe in yourself and take the risk. Cultivate self-belief and envision yourself being successful, even when others might doubt you or call you crazy. I experienced this when I faced skepticism about my trading strategies and my overall goals, but my unwavering confidence and persistence led me to success. You know, books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill can help reinforce all of these mindsets. Self-belief can drive you through challenges and setbacks, pushing you towards your goals, because without it, self-doubt might prevent you from taking the risks or pursuing opportunities. Believing in yourself fuels persistence and determination, which are two essential things for achieving significant goals. You know, every millionaire has had to believe in themselves and has had to take huge risks, although calculative risks. When you truly believe in yourself and your vision, the goal becomes that much more attainable. By following these lessons, you'll be better equipped to navigate the path of becoming a millionaire. Each lesson builds on the others, helping you develop the skills, mindset, and relationships necessary for success. And guys, these right here, these are the 7 things that I wish I could go back and tell myself in my 20s, now that I have become a millionaire at the age of 30. Now, if you take the time to implement each of these lessons correctly, I can guarantee you that you will see success in your life as a day trader or even as an entrepreneur. Who knows? Maybe this video will make you a future millionaire. And all it takes is taking action today and doing money-making activities tomorrow that will move you forward towards your goal. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I highly recommend that you watch the previous video I made where I revealed my entire morning routine and what I do specifically every single day. The video link is in the description, and so I'll see you guys in the next video.